Are you or a loved one struggling with celiac disease? Managing symptoms and healing your gut naturally can be challenging, but today, we're exploring the best natural, holistic, and herbal treatments for celiac disease to support your health and well-being. Understanding celiac disease. Celiac disease is an autoimmune condition triggered by gluten, causing damage to the small intestine. The best-known treatment is a strict gluten-free diet, but did you know that herbs and holistic remedies can also support gut healing and immune balance? Let's explore some natural ways to treat celiac disease. Gut-healing herbs like slippery elm, marshmallow root, and licorice root help soothe inflammation and repair the gut lining. Digestive support provided by peppermint, ginger, and fennel can ease bloating and digestive discomfort associated with gluten exposure. Immune-boosting turmeric and aloe vera contain anti-inflammatory properties that support a healthy immune response. Probiotics and fermented foods for replenishing good gut bacteria is essential. Try kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir to improve digestion. Nutrient-rich superfoods can make a huge difference. Focus on nutrient-dense, gluten-free foods like quinoa, leafy greens, and wild-caught salmon to nourish your body. Managing celiac disease isn't just about diet, it's a lifestyle. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can weaken digestion. Try yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and herbal teas like chamomile and dandelion root can help flush out toxins. Get tested for deficiencies. Many people with celiac disease lack iron, vitamin D, and B12. Consider natural supplements if needed. With the right natural remedies and holistic approaches, you can take control of your health and treat celiac disease naturally. Remember, consistency is key. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. www.naturefirstremedies.com